Hello everyone, welcome to Piano with Sun. This is Sun. Today we will learn and practice finger numbers, and we will also talk about a good hand shape when you play piano. Let's get started. First, finger numbers. Finger numbers are the numbers you see next to the notes on music scores. Playing as indicated finger number is very important because it helps greatly to learn and play the music quickly and smoothly. Let's take a look at hands. Thumbs are finger number 1, and index finger is number 2 and 3, 4, and pinkies are 5. Because right hand goes from the thumb 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as this direction, some people get confused and they do the same direction on the left hand and end up doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from pinky. But that's not correct. Two thumbs are number 1 and they go opposite direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, let's practice these finger numbers. Let's put your right hand thumb on the middle C. Do you remember the middle C? If you've forgotten, please go back and review lesson 1. So, thumbs on middle C, then put other fingers on the next keys, each finger on each key. You will be on C, D, E, F, G notes with finger 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try and relax. Make your hand round shape. When you straight the fingers, they all have different length. But if you round them, then look, they're all the same length. It's like a magic. And because now they're the same length, they will make more even sound. Now let's press keys. Let's play C. Because when you round the hand, thumb is facing in, so you will play the key on the side of the finger. Next, play D with second finger. Make sure all the joints of your fingers is nicely curved, especially the first one from the fingernail. If you straight it and play, you may make louder sound, but it wouldn't sound too good and will create the tension on your finger. Make sure you're relaxing it and slightly curving it. Then press. When you press a key, slightly lift up all other fingers, but still keep the round shape. So the finger that's pressing a key becomes an anchor and it's holding up a hand. Gravity is towards it and the weight of the finger makes the sound. So it shouldn't be hitting to make a sound, but it should be pressing to make a nice and decent sound from the fingers. Let the gravity do the work. Also level the wrist with the arm, not up high or down too low. Now let's practice finger numbers. We're on C, D, E, F, G with finger 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go up first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then going down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I will call the numbers randomly and you will play the keys with the correct fingers. 1, 3, 5, 4, 2, 1. Let's go a bit faster now. Try not to look at your hand and keep your eyes on the screen. 5, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1. Great. Now let's play the groups of the finger numbers. Great job. Now let's practice the left hand. Let's put the left hand's pinky on base C. Base C is the C that is the first one on the left side from the middle C. So this is the middle C, and this is the base C. Did you find base C? It will make this pitch. Put the left hand pinky on base C, then other fingers next to it, each finger on each key. You will end up on C, D, E, F, G with finger 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Remember the thumb is 1 and pinky is 5. Let's go up first. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's play the random numbers. 5, 3, 1, 2, 4, 5. Let's go faster this time. Try to play without looking at your hand. 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 1, 5, 3, 5. Next, we'll play the groups of the finger numbers. Great work. I hope you've enjoyed our lesson and practice, and I hope to see you on our next lesson or tomorrow. Bye.